I don't know what it is about the inside of an air fryer tray, but it's always been hard to clean. So I'm going to be using the pink stuff, Miracle Cleaning Paste. It's supposed to be tough on stains. It's a multi-purpose cleaning powder, and here I am using a non-abrasive sponge because most people will have they may have a scrubber or just may have a sponge, and you can sort of see there's been some improvement. I think I was scrubbing for about 1 minute, just trying to scrub it all the way around, make sure I got into the corners and everything to see how well it would do. I didn't expect it to really clean it on the first try because a lot of this stuff takes a lot of time unless you're using a powerful cleaner, but you want something that's very easy, that's not very harmful. You don't have to worry about heavy smells. You don't have to worry about having like very specific gloves on. All you need is just the pink stuff and a sponge. It'll be a lot better to use a scrubber, but I mean, even if you're just using a sponge, you can see results. But it's gonna take some time. It's definitely compared to I'm always trying to use just soap that just never really seems to get rid of it. This is like a step up, and as you can see, it's getting there. And notice that there isn't like any chipping, there isn't any scratches or anything on the tray itself. So the tray is still it's still good. It just has some kicked on material on it from food being cooked in there. And again, I'm still going to be trying. I think after this was after maybe 30 minutes in total of using the pink stuff. It just going over it lightly. I mean, not doing anything abrasive. Again, you can a scrubber can be a lot easier and getting the stuff off. But I'm just wanted to show you a basic. Even if you just use a non-abrasive sponge, this stuff can start coming off little by little, and you just give it some care, and everything should be good. And this has been the pink stuff, and I'm using it on an air fryer tray.